You are very welcome to this Google AdWords certification course. What I want to do in this first lecture to really kick the course off and to get you fired up is to prove to you that this course will get you Google AdWords certified. My name is Dara and you can see my name on the certificate here. This is the certificate that you'll be getting at the end of the course. And the best thing about what I'm about to share with you is that the formula that I used has not only worked for me. It's also worked for hundreds of students who've taken this course and are now Google AdWords certified thanks to this course. And I've listed just a few of them here to really prove to you that this course does work and that you can get this certificate just like these students as well. So Soji says here that hooray, he's passed the exam. Judah says that he couldn't have done it without this course. Angela says here that if she'd not taken this course, she knows she would have had to take the exam again. And she's also linked off to her certificate here, so you can really see that Angela did in fact get certified. Mo Hash here also says that he's passed both the fundamental and search advertising exam in the first attempt, and he's also linked to his certification, which you can see here as well. So that's just further evidence that this course does actually work. Brad says here he found the course very helpful for passing his exams, and Stephanie says that she got certified and that the sample questions really helped a lot. So the key takeaway for you from this lecture is really, look, you can do it too. All you have to do is just follow the exam instructions, study the materials, and make use of those fantastic sample questions that I've put together for you, over 200 in total. If you do that, you will become Google AdWords certified in 2 days, and having that tangible evidence of your AdWords skills will really help you secure your next interview, promotion, or clients, or simply sharpen your AdWords skills. And in fact, for me, this was the key reason I wanted to become certified, because you're going to be spending money on AdWords, and so you really want to know what you're doing. Otherwise, it can be a recipe to lose a lot of money. So what I want to say then finally is, once you do get certified, I'd love for you to leave a course review and share your success story, just like all of these students here. And finally then, remember that this course does come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have absolutely nothing to lose to really get started straight away and follow the course all the way to the end. So that's really proof that this course will get you certified. I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture, where I'll be showing you how you can actually get certified in 2 days and the timetable that you are going to follow. I'll see you in the next lecture.